Hi guys, let's make a quick and easy gnocchi with tomato meal. This is perfect when you do not have time and you want to eat something homemade, fresh and delicious. So what I have here is I have a bunch of vegetables. I've got tomato, peppers, well that's a red bell pepper. I've got the onion, I've got the courgette, I've got celery. I've literally taken everything out that I had in the fridge and I'm just gonna see what I can do. I've got some mushroom here and I've got some thyme for some of that, flavor. It says roast chicken, but to be honest, I use thyme in many things. So guys, all I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna select the vegetables that I want. A bit of chili, and I have tomatoes because I really want this to be quick, delicious and tasty. And the chopped tomatoes already has chili, so if you don't like it hot, don't add more chilies. So this is the chopped vegetables. Guys, if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, to like and to share the video. We are making quick, healthy, easy recipes here on the channel. If you want something quick, you want something easy, something tasty, come to me and then I'm going to share with you guys what I do after coming back from work from a long day. You don't want to eat takeaway. What can you do? I have the meals for you. Right now I'm just cooking my gnocchi. Guys, these gnocchis are quick and easy. If you can make your homemade, absolutely brilliant. But if you cannot, guys, one from the shop does the job and it tastes delicious and authentic. So I've grilled my gnocchis for about 5 minutes side to side with some olive oil. Choose the oil that you want, and now I'm basically adding all the vegetables together. There is no perfect way of making it, and I'm just going to basically turn them over back and forth. Just going to keep tossing those around. Seasoning, flavoring, that's all entirely up to you. But what I do like to do is add salt, add a bit of Italian seasoning, and then there you go. Right there I've added the tomatoes, a bit more salt and garlic as well, so it's absolutely looking tasty and delicious. I guarantee you this takes no more than 30 minutes, and the vegetables, everything is looking good. I can smell the fragrance right now, guys. This is ready, and yeah, I'm just gonna let that simmer for a bit and then we're gonna plate it up. This is a quick, easy, simple recipe. Gnocchi with courgette and chili tomato. Tasty, delicious and absolutely quick and easy to do. And as you guys can see, I did add extra chilies. I did. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos. Share where you can. This is looking delicious, perfect, and I'm just gonna plate that up now. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.